Hi traders! In today's video I am going to talk about what it is like to be a digital nomad in South America. I want to make this video in a cool rainforest place because I am in the Amazon jungle and I want to go down to that river, but there is no path or anything like that. It is the deep jungle, so I have to break some big small path to myself. In today's video, I am going to talk about what it is like to be a digital nomad in South America. Let's do it. Now, I don't know if it's just a rumor or something like that, but I heard that there are a ton of animals here in the Amazon rainforest, so I have to be a little bit careful as well, because there are snakes, spiders, all kind of these animals, but I love them actually. I think these ants don't really want me to leave because they are always attacking me when I come down to the deep jungle, and it is just crazy how strong their bite is. They are just small little ants, but they are sting like monsters. As you may already know, I am the guy named Nomad Trader on YouTube, and I am a trader, also a prop trader now, since I started the prop trading challenge at 5 years, and I am also a programmer, like code robots in C#, MQL5, MQL4, and I am a full-time digital nomad, and I traveled all over the world, like Southeast Asia, Sri Lanka, the Maldives, all over Europe, and I've been to South America before, and I always looked for the perfect place for myself and my girlfriend to just live as a digital nomad, and a place where all the things come together. I wanted to make this video because I don't really hear often that people are choosing South America, especially from Europe, as the digital nomad place where they want to stay for longer time periods. They are often going to Bali, all over Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, all over Southeast Asia, basically. And I wanted to make this video because me and